Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best chicken brooder is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for anyone raising baby chicks. It provides a safe, warm, and controlled environment, crucial for their survival and healthy development. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of chicken brooders, exploring different types, features, and what to look for when choosing the perfect one for your flock. Number 5. SONGMICS 20-panel Pet Playpen. Setting up this playpen is incredibly easy. You can quickly assemble it with the provided connectors and rubber mallet. The modular design also makes it simple to move or disassemble. This enclosure provides a roomy area for your small pets to play and explore. The design ensures they have little chance of climbing out, keeping them safe and secure. The playpen includes a floor to enhance stability and protect your floors. The panels and connectors are designed to prevent your pets from escaping. You can customize this playpen to fit your space. Arrange it in an L shape or even stack it into a 2-story house, depending on your needs. The semi-transparent panels allow you to watch your pets. Cleaning is also a breeze. Simply wipe the surface with a damp cloth to keep it fresh. What we like? This playpen is incredibly easy to set up, saving you time and effort. It offers a roomy and secure space for your small animals to explore. If you are looking for a flexible and adaptable enclosure, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? Sturdy, easy to clean, easy to put together and easily taken apart. I ordered 2 sets and TBH I want to order another one. It's great spacious with just the one set. Big enough for a puppy, kitten, rabbit, bearded dragon, gerbil, guinea pig, and or other small animals. Especially if needed to separate for nursing, rescue, or medical purposes. The mallet is a lifesaver. Gets rid of a lot of gaps quickly and effectively. This product is great and easy to put together. It's also very light. I can pick it up and move it as needed fully assembled. There is enough room for them to get the zoom eyes though. Number 4. KNH Chicken Brooder Heater for Chicks. Introducing the KNH Chicken Brooder Heater, the safest way to keep your chicks warm. This heater is easy to assemble, requiring no tools at all. It provides a comfortable environment for your little ones. This brooder plate is designed to grow with your chicks. You can easily adjust the height to provide consistent warmth at every stage of their development. It mimics the natural warmth of a mother hen. Made with sturdy, long-lasting materials, this heater is built to last. The white clean surface makes maintenance a breeze. Keeping it clean is simple and hassle-free. KNH products are safety certified, giving you peace of mind. The electrical safety standards exceed UL requirements. They ensure the entire product is safe, not just the parts. This small brooder heater measures 8 inches by 13.5 inches by 8 inches and uses only 25 watts. It's recommended for up to 15 chicks. It's the perfect size to keep your chicks cozy. Designed by KNH, a brand with over 25 years of experience. They create safe, innovative, and quality products for pets. You can trust this product for its reliability and craftsmanship. What we like? This brooder heater features an adjustable heat plate, growing with your chicks. It is designed with safety in mind, ensuring peace of mind. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use heating solution, it is an excellent choice. What people say? It provides consistent warmth without overheating, giving me peace of mind knowing that my chicks are cozy and safe. Another big plus is how easy it is to adjust. Handling and cleaning are also effortless. Number 3. Farm Innovators 3700 Baby Chick Starter Home Coop Kit. This is the perfect starter home for your baby chicks. It's designed to keep them safe and secure during their early weeks. Each kit can house up to 15 chicks. It provides a comfortable and protected environment for them to grow. The kit includes durable plastic panels that are washable and reusable. This ensures the chicks are safe and protected. This kit is great for multiple uses, even for housing game bird chicks. It's a versatile solution for your needs. It includes an adjustable height brooder lamp hanger to modify temperature. You can easily adjust it to provide the right warmth for your chicks. It's easy to set up, so you can provide a home for your chicks right away. It also folds flat for easy storage when not in use. What we like? This kit is designed to house up to 15 chicks, providing a safe and secure environment. It features durable and washable plastic panels for easy maintenance. If you need a complete and easy-to-set-up starter home for your chicks, you should consider this. What people say. It is easy to clean and fold up when not in use. I like the built-in light post and that it's adjustable. The design allows you to make different shapes to fit the area you have to fit it into. Number 2. Tetuga Chick Brooder Box 4-in-1 Set. This all-in-one set includes everything you need to raise your chicks. It comes with a heating plate, a playpen, a pad, a storage bag, pegs, and clips. It's designed to make chick raising easy and convenient. Whether indoors or outdoors, this brooder is perfect for your chicks. It features a double-door design and mesh panels for ventilation. The warm curtains provide excellent cold protection when used outside. Cleaning is a breeze with this brooder. The pen is made from durable, washable Oxford cloth that dries quickly. The brooder pan board is also reusable. Just make sure it's completely dry before storing it. Setting up and taking down the brooder is simple. It has a pop-up design with a built-in frame. It also includes ground pegs for outdoor use and folds into a plate-sized storage bag for easy storage. This brooder is perfect for various small poultry, including chicks, ducklings, and goslings. It provides a safe and comfortable environment for your baby birds. It can also be used for puppies and kittens. Safety is a priority. The heating plate has a built-in overheat protector. It automatically stops heating when the temperature reaches 75 degrees Celsius and restarts when it drops to 60 degrees Celsius, ensuring both safety and efficiency. What we like. This brooder box comes as an all-in-one set, including all the essentials for raising chicks. It is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, providing versatility. If you are looking for a convenient and portable solution, this is the perfect option. What people say. The brooder box is easy to assemble. The heat lamp is adjustable, which is a great feature. The size is perfect for the number of chicks I have. Number 1. Stainless steel frame small animal playpen. This playpen features a premium stainless steel frame, offering exceptional support and stability. It ensures a secure space for your pets to grow without tipping over. The removable roof design provides versatile use. You can adjust it to your specific needs, whether you want more ventilation or protection. This feature makes it perfect for all environments. Made from premium Oxford fabric, this playpen is both strong and breathable. With mesh sides, it provides optimal airflow to keep your animals comfortable and cool. The fabric also ensures long-lasting durability and easy cleaning. With a large diameter and height, it provides ample space for your pets. The spacious interior supports their healthy development, giving them room to grow and play. This versatile playpen is perfect for small poultry like chicks and ducklings. It also serves as an ideal home for small pets such as kittens and rabbits, supporting their growth and health. What we like. This playpen features a sturdy stainless steel frame, ensuring long-lasting stability. It has a removable roof for easy access and ventilation. If you like a durable and comfortable space for your small poultry, you should consider this. What people say. The brooder box is easy to assemble. The heat lamp is adjustable, which is a great feature. The size is perfect for the number of chicks I have. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.